we don't have a government at federal level in Nigeria. This one they come from Governor Ortom. This one are the governor of Benue State. And for now, we don't know, they keep 7 IDPs for that same state. So now the governor don't come outside and they condemn the killing of these people we they talk about. And according to him, he said the killing of these IDPs were carried out by suspected Fulani headsmen. So because of this killing now, he don't come outside and tell us say there is no government in the federal level in Nigeria. I beg, I bring a call aside. So join me, make we watch Governor of Benue State.
It is an unfortunate development that what is happening, if the federal government have taken proactive steps, today we will not be where we are. These cops you're seeing here, in the last 2 weeks, we are burying over 70 people just in Makudi local government alone. This is not accepted. Go to Guma, the same killings are taking place. Go to Go West, the same killings are taking place. This is not right. The federal government have refused to take proactive steps to arrest this ugly situation that we're witnessing here today. You will recall that I alerted the entire nation when Fulanis in 14 countries met in Yola and declared that except we repeal the prohibition of open grazing law, Benue will not know peace. And on the ground, I did say that I was targeted for elimination, to be assassinated, and that was done on me. It's only God that saved me. And I did say they are going after my people. So federal government should arrest the leadership of Naija, Lakota and Hore that hosted that meeting. Up to today, nothing has been done.
So this one I want to hear and I lie, I been a truth. No, you know why they ask? Because we plenty, we don't like the truth. If truth come like this, we go to dodge am, we go to dodge am, we go to dodge am, till you go. What has he said now? And they ask me, no, before I pass my own judgment, I need to know whether on a thing say this man talk. See, and they always tell una something. Don't look at the messenger. Because if we dey focus on the messenger for this country, leave am. We go just remove all of them today. The fact saying come out now, can't talk this thing, it no make am different from the other people, first of all. As usual. Me, if you ask me, they are all the same. They are all the same. Forget that thing. They go come outside, iron clothes, wear and put beret, put this thing. They are all the same. 7 IDPs with the key. No, una see am for the video. See as they lie down, lifeless. All of them. According to Raisen and Fulani headsmen. Anyhow, I don't know, because as I talk to now, they still investigate this matter. But my question now be say, I beg, no offense, but why be say this governor of Benue will come outside now? I don't know, but to me, wait till I read for inside message, they say they call on government. Why you they call on government for this kind of thing? I don't understand. Are you not the governor of the state? And if I know they make mistake, at least every governor of every state is responsible for the state. So if there is issue in your state, why not settle it? In fact, I'm not just understand, defend your state. And no, don't wait on government. Yes, defend your state. Now the problem where we even they fail. See, the problem is plenty, but my people, I don't understand. Something go happen for Benue State, they go come they blame. No, I don't want to see all of them they involved. But why you as the governor, you know if you find solution to what they happen to your state? Are they very sure? Say all of una now, we vote for Buhari. Hey. Una go they regret her. Una go they no. Because if better make me you know even tell me say you vote for Buhari because me and you go get issue. Just keep on like that. Look at all the things where they happen for this country. Just they listen to them. They see them. The way people they die, it pass the way we they breathe. Today we go hear 7, tomorrow 20, next tomorrow 15, 100. Now so now only numbers they come, numbers of people wey just die. I no know why they make this thing very difficult. I no just see, no serious. Una just dey stress una sef on top something. See, worry about wetin you fit change. Anything wey you no fit change, abeg leave am in the hands of God. It is as simple as that. Una dey stress una sef over this kind thing. It is very simple. Until Buhari leaves this seat, nothing go change. Nothing will change. I dey tell una serious matter. So if you like, shout from now till tomorrow. If you like, do this one. Nothing will change. And now why are they come out now? They tell una say no wait till 2023. Let the change start from your mind. You understand? Let the change start from your mind, because it is how you think in your mind. That is how you act. If you think of we don't want Buhari again, at least 2023, your mind is set. So it's just for you to vote him out. It is as simple as that. If you never get out for your mind or your heart, we are always wasting our time. No be by shouting, no be by condemning. This one way, this even this one, when they come outside, they condemn. Because no be by all this one way they do. Coming 2023, wetin you go do with the voting opportunity where you get? Now the question be that. So think am. Think am. When this man come from London, wetin he tell us? When they una remember when they ask her, say, what should Nigerians expect now from you? Wetin he tell us? Continuity. So now be saying the continuity now we promise us. All of you now, yes, I dey repeat her. Now the continuity now we dey see. So I beg, make una just the manager they used to run. Very, very important, because I don't know be me carry my hand, go carry una say una go vote for this man. So as he don't enter, all of us go manage this thing wey we dey manage like this. Very, very important. For the IGPs wey die, my condolences for our families. Oh, very, very important, because and I pray say God go strengthen una, but still it is what it is, and the thing where it is now be say Buhari is still in power. So now the matter be this, my people. I want to know what you think concerning this matter. Waiting this man talk, waiting you think about and right, wrong, left, center, anyone. Drop a for that comment section and make sure say you share this video so that everybody go know say Governor of Benue State it also they behave against our president. Very, very important. They never even start. Because subscribe and click on that notification bell so that you no go miss any matter where I get here for you. Stay tuned for our next story.